of studying abroad in a country with quality education at an affordable tuition fees of around 3.5 lakh for PG, then this might just be your perfect destination. Today, we are breaking down everything you need to know: universities, courses, cost, job, and more, so you can decide if Austria is right for your 2026 study abroad journey. Let's dive in. Top universities. Austria is home to some of Europe's finest institutes. First, University of Vienna. Second, TU Wien. Third, University of Innsbruck. Fourth, Graz University of Technology. Fifth, Johannes Kepler University, and many more. These universities rank globally and are known for research, innovation, and academic excellence. Best and popular programs. Austria is a global leader in software engineering, making it a top choice for tech aspirants. Other popular programs include business administration, computer science, political science, psychology, engineering, finance and accounting, healthcare, marketing, and many more. Whether you are into tech, business, or social science, Austria has it all. Next, tuition fee. Tuition is 750 to 1500 euro per semester, which is around 75,000 Indian rupees for non-European students, much lower than the UK, US, or Australia, making it a sweet spot for quality education. Now, living expenses. Living costs are lower than in Germany except in Vienna, where rent and daily expenses are higher. On average, expect 800 to 1200 euro per month, which is around 70,000 to 1 lakh Indian rupees, including accommodation, food, and transport. Smaller cities like Graz, Linz, or Innsbruck are more budget friendly. Part-time work. International students can work up to 20 hours per week during semesters. Austria offers high part-time wages, around 12 to 15 euro per hour in cafes, retail, or tech support. That is more than many European countries, helping you cover living costs easily. Language barriers. While German is the main language, most universities offer English taught programs, especially for the masters. According to the official source, over 300 programs are fully in English. Daily life in Austria is manageable with English, especially among young people and in student areas. However, learning basic German will make shopping, part-time job, and social life much smoother. Now, post-study work visa. After graduation, you get a 12-month job research visa. It is enough time to land a job in tech, engineering, or business, especially if you speak some German. Next, scholarships. Austria offers generous funding. First, Future International Scholarship. Second, Austria Government Scholarship. Third, Erasmus Plus, and many more. So, study in Austria if you want a high quality education at really affordable cost, love tech and engineering, want to work part time with good pay, and dream of living in a safe, beautiful, and culturally rich country. Drop a comment if you want to study in Austria. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study abroad guidance. See you in the next video.